Hey guys, this is a video tutorial sort of add-on for purely the auto checkout part that we recently added. So what you're going to do is just add a task normally. Let's say I wanted to monitor our Twitter monitor. And then you see here, this is the new part as of 1.1.0. Simply click enable. And then there's currently 4 dashboards, there are more to come. But so the Ducky, there's Freddy dashboard, TL dashboard, Meta Labs. And these are just like the people who made the dashboard, so like the dashboard company. So let's say for this one, you can choose Notify Squared. This one, we're going to add more to these as well, but you can see what you got to do. And then you simply want to choose your card profile. You can do that by making a profile in that section there. So I want to choose this one on this. And then I like to enable copy password. Now with this, what you could do is just run a normal task, so maybe HTTP, and just have it running normally, whatever you want to run here. And then this enables you to run manual, if you want to call it that, so that the bot opens the link and you try and check out yourself, and you can have this in the background. And so basically how this works is that if they tweet password equals, or if they tweet a password URL, the password automatically gets picked up, and the bot tries and checks out via request to get that. If it can't detect the password, you need to put the password in here and click checkout. Another thing to be wary of is here, in the checkout settings, you can enable this, and automatically this max checkout is on 1, which means that if even one checkout status task begins, that's it. That's all the bot will do. So personally, I put this to like 10, or I mean, I don't really mind how many checkout attempts it's trying, so I would put 20 and then click apply, and that means more than one task on. The use of this button here is that you can, if you had multiple tasks, if you put a password in there, it will immediately begin checking out all of your tasks on whatever profile you've selected and whatever sites. So that's a really useful feature. For example, you could have 10 profiles and 10 tasks, and if you know the password, that will try and check out on every single one of them. This is the best way to try and get multiples of whatever you want to get and really maximize your profit potential. But let's say I'm running a task normally. Let's say the pass, if I'll run out a quick task here, so monitor. So I'm going to quickly, one second, I'm just going to take this off so it doesn't open any links. Notify squared, start. So I'm going to put in the Twitter monitor, password equals test. So you see that? There you go. Obviously test isn't a real password, so it just comes up as checkout failed, but you can see how it works. And it's the same as if you run multiple tasks. And just to show you quickly, so let's say I wanted to do this on multiple tasks, same setup for everyone, fake 2, start this task. Now this is where you get to see this feature. Let's say I wanted to do I am testing. If you watch here, check out, it tries them both. Obviously no stock, so it quickly goes to checkout failed. But you can see how effective this new feature is, and it's really going to give you a big advantage, and we're quickly adding as many sites as we can. So I hope this helps, and again, if you have any questions, as always, just feel free to message me or create a ticket or just tag me in the chat, and we'll help you out here. But yeah, I would really recommend at least running this in the background, so there's no harm doing that, and you can always try and go manually yourself with the bot as well. So yeah.